Now, we are doing step 3, extend material master for trading goods. We already created a material master, but that is for MI00 plant, that is Miami. Now, we're going to create this same material master, but in a different plant, that is in San Diego. So, rather than doing the process all over again, we can copy the material, or in this case we can extend that material to a different plant so that it can be used there. We're going to extend it from Miami to San Diego plant. Now I'm going to make this one, minimize this part here. So it's going to be inside logistic, material master, material management, material master, material, still inside here, create special, and we're going to be doing trading goods again. Now, in terms of here, we need to enter the material code that we have created just now. For mine, it's going to be CHLO 1005. 1005 is representing my own input. The standard instruction inside the SAP is from CHLO 1. 1005 is my input. Okay, now after you insert this, and then in the copy from here, we're going to be choosing the same material. It's either you can use this or you can just insert it. It's going to be the same thing. Okay, now afterwards, if you notice here, we're going to be clicking on enter. Okay, now what are the changes that we're going to make here is basically only 3, because currently these are the data that is going to be changed from Miami to San Diego. 1, 2, 3. If you notice inside the instruction, it's instructed you to highlight the 3 sales view. So these are the 3 sales view. And then make sure create view selected and then press on enter. Now, this part here, please be careful. There is already a sample screen showing how you're supposed to insert all these 6 information. Follow it directly. So you need to insert here is for our San Diego plant. Sales org is going to be UW. Distribution channel is going to be WH. Now, it's going to copy from the Miami plant that is in eastern region, and still from the same distribution channel. Now, for this case, I would advise you not to use the search hub on the 2 sections, from organizational level of the new material and also copied from. This part here, don't use the search hub. It's going to be changing some of your inputs during the earlier part, especially here. When you click here, if let's say for example you see there are different WH, unless you choose a wrong WH, C is going to change your sales org data. So don't use search hub on this page. I mentioned this again, don't use search hub on this part of the case study. Just use direct input. Now make sure that everything is okay. SD00, UW00, WH, MI00, UE00, WH. And if you are confident, then you can press on enter. Okay, it shows that the material already exists and will be extended. So it found the material that you have created in step 2, and then we're going to extend it to a different plant. Press on OK. Okay, now in sales op 1, note that the information that you insert of San Diego, Western, and distribution channel WH is already there. Okay, now what you need to do here is basically make sure this part here is already being changed to say SD00, because currently we are extending this material from Miami to San Diego. So change this, and then we're going to change the pricing a little bit, because currently that is some of the common practice of an organization. They're going to sell different items on a different, same item, different price based on region, because currently some regions are different in terms of how their incomes, in terms of their expenses. So change on the condition. We're going to insert scale. It's going to be 1, but the amount we're going to insert 65. And then when you already insert, go back and click on save. Click on yes, and then you're done. So that is extending material master.